So the sales experience with Sabre Yachts is unique. We're at really all of the Florida boat shows. We're at Annapolis, we're at Newport, and that's where we really connect and meet a lot of either current owners or friends of owners or just people that have just really admired the brand for a long, long time and always really were hoping to get into a Sabre one day. First thing we do is we call them. I ask if they know the brand already or if it's something I have to maybe get into a little bit. And 90% of people know the brand or have had some experience with it. I'll identify how they use the boat or what they plan to do. They really are retired or sold their business and have time, and they really want to enjoy themselves on the vessel, bring their grandkids and their family and friends and go on these amazing trips to make memories.
With a new boat, you would most likely, whether we met you organically at a boat show or a phone call, we actually would go over specs, show you what is available and how much customizing you can do, and then be able to let you handpick all the options you want, from engine options all the way down to tile colors in the heads.
And then we move to the deposit schedules. We explain that thoroughly to you so everybody's on the same page, and then we start to build the boat. Once the boat comes out of the factory and we bring it down, we do a thorough commissioning checklist. We do a two-man process where every single system is checked twice. Then we bring you and your family on the boat and we go through that with you.
And then we may actually go out for a sea trial. And what's funny about Sabre is, I get people that really want to do sea trials when the weather isn't so great. They've heard and know that they really handle themselves well in the nasty seas. They want to see it firsthand, and that this boat does do very well.
Once you're comfortable with the boat and you're ready to sail away, we hand you the keys and you go to enjoy the boat. Now, the service doesn't end there. You've got a full warranty provided by the manufacturer, but the most important part is the type of service that you get out of Sandy Hook Yacht Sales. We are experts in this. We have people that can answer all the questions, from the manufacturer to the fellow that does the commissioning to your broker that hands the keys to you. At all times, you've got 3 or 4 people that you can contact if you have an issue. If you are considering a used boat, the process is somewhat similar.
You could look at as many boats as you wanted until you found something that suits. And whether it's close or out of town, it doesn't matter really how far the boat is. Sabres are spread out and down the eastern seaboard. Sea trial survey, or if we have our own listing, which we do a lot of, we get our clients' boats back for brokerage listings. We basically will entertain anybody with or without a broker, seeing if this is the right boat for them. And sometimes it is, other times we just go looking for boats and find what they want.
We make an offer, get the offer accepted, we go to survey. At that point, we accept the vessel and then move on to closing. Once the vessel is closed, we do not hand you the keys and wave bye-bye. We explain to you how the boat works. Use the boat like we are delivering new. We've got the checklist, we go through, we make sure you're comfortable, your family's comfortable, and at that point, you can sail away. But you have the comfort knowing you bought a boat from Sandy Hook Yacht Sales, who is a Sabre expert, and you have the support that you deserve.
The people that own these boats, it's like a fraternity and sorority of owners who just really kind of know and take care of their boats. They're pilots, they're engineers, they're military, Navy people. Like, they really understand the components of what this boat is, made in Maine. And the brand has got this tradition that people really identify with and really want.